Hey you guys, so I'll start off by saying the red is from the Blood Sugar palette, the orange is from the Watch Me Blush palette, the yellow is from the Thirsty palette, the teal and the blue are also from the Thirsty palette. It's quite simple where I put the colors, honestly. The red's on the inner corner, then it moves into orange, then yellow, then the teal, and then the blue. I missed putting on the teal and the blue on the camera. My camera had died. I was really upset, like trying not to cry status. So just take that with a grain of salt. Then I use the Benefit Boing Concealer under my eyes, as well as the Catrice Concealer to hide any redness. I then move into a foundation I'm not really fond of. I'll put the link down below, or not the link, I'll put the name down below. It is quite sheer, so I was a little upset with that because this look obviously is like a full dramatic look, so you need like maximum coverage. I put a bit of the Catrice Concealer on the cheeks just to kind of ensure that my freckles weren't showing. And then I put on the Fenty Beauty. I'm not sure what number this is it called Match Stix? I'm not sure which number this is, but I'll go ahead and I'll put it down in the description for my contour. You could just see me putting on the Catrice Concealer there. And then I put on the Fenty Match Stix, I think it's called, for contour. Put the color down below. I like a really warm contour, so. Then I used the Makeup Revolution, the white mixer. I always use either that, or if I want a heavier look, I use the Ben Nye Clown White under my eyes and anywhere that I want like a really dramatic highlight. Now I'm just setting with MAC Shivering White. Before this, I set with NW15 all over the face, and now I'm setting with Shivering White under my eyes, in the middle of the forehead, anywhere where I want it to be very, very white. And then I have blush from Makeup Forever. Before the blush, I did set with Coty Airspun. The blush is from Makeup Forever. It's just the really orange blush. I'm not sure of the name of it. And then I'm using Kaykcosmetics Let It Glow Glowdust. Really gorgeous. It's what I use all the time now to look wet. I really am a fan of it. And then I use the Sephora eyeliner in the nude color, like my nude, beige. Oh yeah, first of all, I use Cherry Wet from Jeffree Star. Really big fan of this lip color. I think it's gorgeous. The reason I have to do a voiceover, guys, is because I have to have a fan on when I'm doing my makeup or I sweat. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm like fat or what, but then I'm setting with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I have some 301 lashes on from Wigs and Grace. I hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.